This Ubekezele Snorkeling Gear Set gives adults a complete four-piece kit with mask, snorkel, fins, and carry bag that works well for casual trips and more serious water adventures. The tempered glass mask offers a wide panoramic field of view and stays clear thanks to its effective fog resistance and snug seal that helps keep water out. The dry-top snorkel uses a reliable float valve and splash guard to block waves, while the soft silicone mouthpiece and purge valve make breathing and clearing water feel natural. Adjustable open-heel fins with sturdy yet flexible blades and non-slip soles provide good propulsion without overworking your legs. And the quick-release buckles are easy to handle with wet hands. The included mesh-style travel bag drains and dries quickly, so wet gear does not stay soggy, and the whole set stays compact enough to pack in a suitcase or beach tote. Overall, this set strikes a strong balance between comfort, durability, and ease of use, making it a practical choice for travelers and beginners who want reliable snorkeling gear in one package.